Arrive in style with this BMW 2017 X5i xDrive35i. If you are looking for a first-class ride, you have found it. Some of the top features included with this vehicle are multi-contour seats included, 20-way power 10-way power seat functions, additional power adjustment functions for shoulder and thigh support, backrest with and lumbar support, contour and position, and 2-way manual lateral adjustment for comfort, headrest, M Sport package included, M footrest and M door sills and unique tailpipe design, transmission, sport automatic launch control, shadowline exterior trim, wheels, 19-inch x 9 inches and light alloy double spoke style 467mm steering wheel, M Sport package, 337, without lines designation, outside high gloss with rails, aerodynamic kit, sport seats, black Dakota leather upholstery, wheels, 20-inch x 10 inches FR and 20-inch x 11 RR black included, M